nigga, summertime round '09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What's going on, my mighty fine people? It's Emoneyshoes here. Shout out to the Money Squad for supporting your boy, for smashing that thumbs up, like, and subscribe on that way to the 2K. Like I always say, I come up with that term brick by brick, or hashtag brick by brick. Cause shout out to all the up and coming YouTubers: Tasha Mac, 313 Retro Queen, McFly, KOL. You got Vanity Kicks, you got PM Kicks, me and my kicks, Sneaker Holidays, Run Reviews, who else? Bobby Sneaker World, Splash on Drippy, P-Town. That's just most of the people I can, think off the top of my head. If I left people out, please forgive me. I'm getting old and I didn't take my medicine. So it is, you know how it is, what it is. Like I said, on the road to 2K, get that notification bell. It's free 99. It's free to subscribe. I'm gonna do probably, like I said, the 2K gonna most definitely do that giveaway. And when you hit that notification bell, I do randomly do giveaways, and I send the receipt. If you don't like it, you can always go trade it, sell it, throw it away, give it to your auntie, uncle, Salvation Army. Do whatever you like. Shout out though to the homie I Am That Dude. I put this information, I always got to give credit where credit is due. He did hook me up with the song for the intro, and I still gotta buy some time so you can hear the song in its entirety and the other dope track he sent me. Also, if you want to get some merch, hit up the homie Run and Run Clothing. Use my code Do What You Like, get 20% off their merch. It's also Money Run Clothing _ on IG. If you're trying to get those bread foils early, hit up the homie For Sure Kicks. He is on IG. He'll get them to you early before release date. Also, custom, you got Snooch Customs. Hit him up too. He's on IG and YouTube. You want to get those custom merch done. I'm still getting with him to do some stuff. Got some stuff in the works. So please bear with me. Like I said, I got a lot going on, but I intend to get things on and popping in May. I know I've been doing a lot of gibberish, so I'll put in the description below if you just want to get straight to the shoes. Now, let's jump into the shoes. I'm always team late over here, and as you can see, gray box, red Jumpman, K for the sticker, size 10.5 on these 14 things. Official colorway, white, black, varsity, red. Suggested retail price, 190 of them things. And I know, I've been seeing in the comments, I got to get with it with the on feet. So just bear with me. I will get to it. A lot of people say it look better if you do on feet. I know. So, I didn't get this at the ideal price I wanted to get. I want to get a little cheaper. But I got it from the retail. As you can see, $159 from Champs. They had a couple pairs left. Not a lot of pairs, but a couple. So I would say pretty much sold out. So my opinion is not sold out, it's when you can just go in and get all the pairs. And here we go. Just do it like so, right there one time for the man Eric. And we just slam it down. And those candy cane things, I ain't gonna be talking about no Rip Hamilton. That's a bunch of crap, but Jordan Brand ain't known to do rebranding on the shoes. On the bottom of that, you got that all white outsole. Everybody already know, once you get it all dirty with once, it's a wrap. You got your Roman numeral X14 or X14 or X15, sorry, that's 14 always with the one in front of the 4. Minus, we already know that. Enough for the math class. That mini jump man there. Carbon fiber, shank plate. You got a little soft cushion here. Coming up on that toe box. Not bad, not stiff. And then you got your little stitch jump man there. You get your white laces, as you can see. You got that tumble rumble there to hold the laces in place. Then on the tongue, you got your Jordan. Behind here, you got your Roman numeral 14. We already know. You take out the shoe tree. On the laces, we got those chrome tips. Get close and personal. You can see that little jump man. You see that up close and personal. On the side, the paint looked pretty G to me on this. As you can see, not too bad. This side panel is plush. Look at that. This is plush. You already know the theme on this shoe built off for a race car, or not race car, sports cars. Jordan like Ferraris, thus you got that little Ferrari logo there. You got your jump man, then you got actually your cover that you pull that off if you want to, but I'll leave mine on. In the back, you got that 2, 3, and then you got, so basically you got all of this stuff right, like represent tail lights and all the lights on the bottom and all that other stuff of the shoe. When he do stuff about cars, only try to implement all of that into the shoe. Now, this shoe is pretty plush, but anybody got that the DMP pack, the $400, $450, whatever pack, you know that black 14, in my opinion, is still the OG. Or not the OG, but the granddaddy of them all far as quality. That shoe is buttery. But enough of that. We don't want to take away from this shoe. So on the media side, you got that carbon fiber there. You got that vent, like a cooling type system, right? Like I said, you got on your sports model, race cars. Nothing over here, but again, you can see perforated holes for breathability. Just look how soft. Got that pushback. Up here around the collar. Now this crap here is hard as hell right here. But hey, who's judging, right? Then you go inside the shoe. You can see it's white insole with a black Jumpman 10.5. Now see, 14s are tricky. I went half size up. You could pull off a true to size, but your little pinky toe, baby toe, it will be screaming. So do that at your own risk. Now, let me pull out the other one, because I did do a lace swap. Might not be the most ideal lace swap. You guys let me know what y'all think about this. So we got here and here. So you got original versus the red. You guys let me know, which one would you roll with? Probably ideally if they would have been rope laces instead of flat laces, it would add more character. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Which one is the dopest? And we'll just take it like so. So on the lit meter, I think this is clean. Can't go wrong with a white and red shoe. Pretty well executed. See, minimal, very minimal flaw. Maybe a little overspray there. So on a lit meter, I will give these babies about a 4.8 out of 5. Very, very dope shoe. Never had these before. Glad to add them to the collection. For most people, I'm sorry if you didn't get a chance. Slept on the shoe. They may or may not do a restock on the shoe. So let me know what you think. Which one you prefer, the lace swap or the originals? Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. You can always catch me on IG, E_money_shoes. And I'm out. Peace.